In this video of 1 to step, I'm gonna walk you through on how to ignore messages on Messenger. Ignoring messages on Messenger can be a great way if you're trying to avoid someone on Messenger. So by ignoring or restricting someone on Messenger, you can easily avoid them because you won't be able to see any chats they send in until and unless you open up their chats. Then they won't be able to also tell when you open up their chats, and they won't be able to see when you're online either. So those are the features and benefits of ignoring messages or restricting messages on Messenger. So let me quickly show you how it's done. Firstly, if the person is on this chat list, you can tap and hold the chat, and this menu will open up where on the second to last you'll see an option of restrict. You can just tap on restrict and that person will be immediately restricted or ignored. And like I earlier said, this person won't be able to tell when you're online, and you won't get any notifications from them until and unless you open up their chats like this. And even if you open up the chat, they won't be able to tell that you've seen the messages. Now for some reason, if the chat is not showing up on this section, you can also tap on the three lines on the top left, tap on the settings on the top right. From here, scroll down under preferences, tap on privacy and safety, and under who can reach you, you'll see restricted accounts. From here also, you can restrict people or ignore people. Just tap on the human icon on the top right, and from here you can pick the person who you want to ignore messages. So that's how exactly you can ignore messages on Messenger. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notifications so you get notified for more interesting videos just like this. And if you have any questions related to the video, make sure that you comment down below and we'll try our best to solve your issues. That's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.